Yep, that's David, all right. And he's riding the Hyosung GT 250R. He's doing pretty good. I told him to ride 2 feet and stop, but apparently he's still going. And I don't think he can hear me shouting at him. But I guess that's pretty good progress. The bad thing about it is, if he stalls out, we gotta push start, because the battery's practically dead. Oh yeah, not bad. Not bad, David.
Not bad?
Pretty good. Oh, oh, oh. David actually learned how the push start works. And he's got it down pretty well. Gotta pick up your feet, David. Oh, yes. Maybe he heard me. Oh no. Oh, he's coming for me. He's gonna run me over.
How do I stop?
How do you stop? Pull in the clutch and hit the brake.
Alright guys, you want to see something cool? So according to Irving, he installed this security system on his bike right over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But if I hit the middle button, it'll shut off his bike no matter where he is. Alright, let's try this right now.
It didn't work?
No. Alright guys, so we're gonna test out Irving's new security feature on his bike, where if I hold down the middle button right here, it'll shut off his bike. Let's go. Well, I guess his new security system doesn't work, so whoever hotwires his bike can still probably get away with it. Oh, no, there it goes. Wow, that's a long lag. Good luck staying in the reception range for your bike.
Wow, this is almost like MSF course right here. We got bikes going around everywhere. Ricky and David too.
Flat on the floor. It's like a 3-step process, right? First step, flat. You're actually going to eat the clutch away, and then you're going to have to replace it.
Oh. So shouldn't I make sure it reaches the contact point first and then I do this?
Yes, but in the real world it doesn't happen like that.
Why?
Because when you need to go, you need to go. And then
you'll grind the thing.
You'll grind the clutch, yeah, that's just wear and tear. Ideally you don't do that for a long time. Just grind the clutch enough for you to get moving.
So is it better if I let it contact first and then do this?
It's better if you just try to find your own method, I guess.
Should I let this go completely and then do this?
No, you should do it during. Okay, if you find yourself going too fast,
Install.
immediately pull in the clutch, okay? And gently release